a hot tree review under my favorite tree. Lockdown turned into a self-care staycation. Let me share with you some of the self-care routines I've had with Heart Tree during my lockdown in order to inspire you to support small businesses, to self-isolate and to self-care. Heart Tree is an earth-friendly, human-friendly, vegan beauty brand. It is completely transparent, and I think that is what I love about it. Something which is big for me, which is my personal journey, is finding a lot of gluten in beauty products. Here again is a brand that is transparent without any of the nonsense in it. Let's get into the self-care routine with Heart Tree. First, I would start with washing my face with my normal face wash. The next step is to exfoliate with the cleansing mask. This is an exfoliating clay which gently polishes the skin and removes all the impurities and dead skin cells. What you want to do is you want to activate the clay by mixing it with a little bit of apple cider vinegar. I got the little apple cider vinegar bottle from Heart Tree. So how we want to mix our apple cider solution is with 1/4 apple cider, and then the rest is with distilled filtered water. So then you mix it in your little Heart Tree clay pot. I just love this. Now the trick is to not put too much liquid. First put in a little bit of the clay, and then I put a teeny weeny bit of the apple cider solution. You must use a wooden scoop to put the clay in the bowl and to mix it, and never use any metal with the clay. So you can use ceramic or wood. Then you would leave this on for 5 minutes. To wash it off, you can gently massage it off your face with some water, and this is then almost like an exfoliator. The second type of exfoliating mask we can do is to mix it with honey. This is not a vegan option, so for the non-vegans, we can do this. There are so many benefits to using honey on your skin. If you are vegan, another option you can do is to use aloe vera gel, although this doesn't have all the antibacterial properties that honey has. So after we've exfoliated our beautiful skins, we want to move on to the Moisture Elixir. This is a gorgeous facial oil. It stimulates collagen production in the skin, softens lines and wrinkles, and protects against sun damage. After the Moisture Elixir, I put some of my own moisturizer on my skin. Not a lot, just a little bit, because I feel that my skin just needs a little bit more moisture. Loving the results on my skin. I feel like it's just giving me a bit of an extra shine and making my skin really soft. And I love how the exfoliation has really just like taken away a lot of my pores. Then we move on to our bodies. In Johannesburg, it's starting to feel a bit chilly, and Joburg is known for its really dry winters. This is where the body balm comes in really beautifully, made with shea butter and some lemongrass, to mention a few of the ingredients. It is soft, it is smooth, it smells delicious. So go check out Heart Tree. They've got a beautiful website. Like I said, I love their transparency. Every single product states all the ingredients in it. So, and exactly what the benefits of every single ingredient is. So you know exactly what you are getting. It is transparent, it is local, it is beautiful. Massive reminder to take care of ourselves and to take care of the earth and to take care of one another.